Open Kinemaster. Select 16:9. Right side click on media. Select any pic or any location. Before you need to take any one pic, remove the background color. So you can use background remover app. It is available in Play Store. This way you can remove the background color. Then save it. Go to Kinemaster, click on layer, click on media and select which is you remove the background pic. Minimize your pic and move to stage. Then left side there is a key option, click on that, then click on plus option, then move to upside that particular pic, then just try that how it will work. So again you can go to media and select any sky pic. You can make it a zoom this pic. You can make it a full screen. I am removing unnecessary pic, so you can cut that. Go to layer and click on media, select pic. Here just move to downside, then click on left side there is a key option, so then click on plus option, then pic you can move to upside, but you need to keep it at dot lines. Now you can observe it is moving upside. This way we need to do next pic also. Click on media, select any sky location, click on layer, click on media, select particular pic, move to downside, dot line should be shown. Left side you can click on key option, then click on plus option, then you can move to upside. Slowly you can move to upside, but dot line should be shown. So this way you need to do that. See how it is going. Again go to media, select any sky location pic, right side click on layer, click on media, select pic and move to downside, dot line should be shown, then click on key option, click on plus option, then slowly move to upside. This way you need to move. Click on media, select any sky location pic. click on layer, select media, select particular pic, move to the right side, but dot line should be show. So then click on key option, click on plus option, just slowly move to left side. You can keep on moon, yeah. This way we need to do. Now let's try that. See, it is how it is going. Yeah, beautiful. Now everything is fine. Then you can export the video. Up you can see right side there is an option to export. Please like, share, subscribe.